What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with Mikey Daily Carry, and I'm back with another unboxing. Today I got some awesome pens from Tactile Turn. Tactile Turn is a company here in the USA who bangs out USA made products that are high quality. And today I got my hands on two of their pens. Thank you so much for sending this over, Tactile Turn. So let's check it out. The first pen here is going to be the new Switch in titanium. And this is super awesome because it's a lot different from a bolt action and your normal side click or your top clicker pens, because there is a notch on the side of the pen which actually deploys the ink cartridge that's at the bottom there. How it works is you just press that lever down right there, it deploys the cartridge, and you are ready to go. Now, this pen is only oriented to right-hand carry. What I mean by that is because when I actuate this switch right here on the side, I can do so with my right hand, and then when I get into a writing position, the switch doesn't protrude on my hand here when I'm writing. But if I'm a lefty, this switch, when deployed, is going to be rubbing on my skin a little bit when I write. I am left-handed, so that is something to bear in mind if you are a lefty user. I like the milling that they put on their pens. It gives you a natural grip to the pen when you're using it. This is a lot more of a slimmer type EDC pen. I don't know if you can see it, but very light in there. It says Tactile Turn 2025. I noticed that they do that on the inside of each of their clips, depending on the year that they're selling the pen on. I got some 2023 pens from them, which is also super awesome. Stay tuned because I'm gonna have a best EDC pen follow-up from my first bolt action pen, which is still killing it today. So I want to give you guys an update because since then I have upgraded the arsenal of pens. Titanium Switch pen by Tactile Turn. Now let's move on to the second pen here, and this is going to be the slim bolt action Lefty short in copper and titanium. Like I said, everything is machined here in Texas, and this is still sealed. Tactile Turn is one of the only companies I know that sells true left-handed pens. Take a look at the copper. Oh my gosh. What a freaking beauty. Now, this one was made in 2023. I see that on the clip there, but look at that titanium clip. Copper body. The bolt, this is what I'm talking about. When you're a lefty and you have a true lefty bolt action pen, the bolt mechanism is going to be on this side of the clip. When you're a righty, or it's a right-handed user pen, it's going to be on this side. So that way it doesn't rub on my hand when I'm writing like so. And then I can actually just deploy it or actuate it real easy, one-handed, no problem. It's not a problem for me to do it one-handed with my right hand either, or if I have a righty pen, but that's something to bear in mind when you're buying EDC bolt action pens. Now the prices for these, I don't know top of mind. I think they're about $110, $120, but I'll make sure I link that in the description of this video. Make sure you check them out. There's gonna be much more content on EDC pens, bolt action pens, switch pens like such. Two pens from Tactile Turn. I got the copper slim bolt action Lefty, and I have the regular titanium and bronze new switch pen by Tactile Turn. MikeyDC with Mikey Daily Carry. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Waka pow!